Hello, little artists. Today we're going to draw a super cute kawaii tree. Grab your pencils and let's get started. This will be really easy, so follow along and create your own adorable tree. Did you know that trees are one of the most important plants on Earth? They help us by producing oxygen for us to breathe and cleaning the air. Trees also provide homes for many animals like birds, squirrels, and insects. Some trees can live for thousands of years. Trees also change with the seasons. In spring and summer, their leaves are green, but in autumn, many trees turn red, orange, and yellow. And in winter, some trees lose their leaves, while others, like pine trees, stay green all year long. So next time you see a tree, remember, it's not just a plant, it's a life-giving superhero of nature. Time to bring our kawaii tree to life with colors. amazing job drawing a kawaii tree. If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye.